Hello viewers, welcome to my channel, and you're watching my race at K1 Speed, which was formerly Accelerate, or at least this location. Yes, let's get to it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So right now, I'm just warming up the tires, basically just trying to get some temp into them before the race starts. As you can see what I'm doing right now. I'm also braking, and these cars' brakes are in the rear, so it wouldn't really heat the tires that much, or at least not their internal temp, with the scrubbing of the windows. And now I'm coming up to the line. I started 8th in this race. Yeah, I did. Okay, yeah, I'm getting to the line now. And here we go. I try to go down the inside of my friend here. He blocks me off, but then he gets pushed wide. And I go through the inside of both of them, but he still has the inside line on this next corner. I try to go around the outside, and I make it stick right there. Then I get a good one on this other guy. I go on his inside, push him wide, and now I'm heading for 4th place. I'm chasing him down. He goes a little bit wide right there. I'm just trying to stay as close as I can to him. Makes another mistake right there. And guys, I'm usually fast in race pace. I just had a bad qualifying that time. And yeah, we get a good run on him. Both brake late in that corner. I give him a tiny little bump. Then he tries to cut me off, so we make contact right there. I try to go for the switchback, and I make it. I go a little bit too wide, and I think he just wants to ram me right here because I passed him. Then my friend, who I passed at the beginning, comes back and passes me. So, yeah, I got rammed, which is really unfair, but I couldn't do anything about it. I should have been more defensive. So now I'm just trying to catch up on my friend. He's really good at defense. So, I just have to play a long game, wait for him to make a mistake. And, yeah. I'm really just following his line through these couple corners to see what he does. But you also got to be early on the power so you can get a good run on the straightaway. I tried to go for the lunge on the inside. He kind of defends it there. So I'm still behind him. I try to go for the switchback. I can't do anything. He blocks in the apex. So yeah, now I'm just waiting. I try to go for the up this corner too. I should have braked a little bit earlier and parked in the apex, which I do. But the next corner is a left corner, so he has the inside line. I still think I'm better on pace than him. I get past him right there on the chicane. Then because he gives me that bump, I go wide, and I have the outside line. And I can't do what he did because he stops right there on the apex. Now I think there's someone behind me now because us battling, we've lost so much time. But yeah, we break away over the straightaway. I give him a tiny bump. I try to go for the lunge, but I can't. It's basically just making contact from my point of view. So I brake late on this corner, and I try to get him on the switchback, but I can't. I go outside a little bit. I brake little at the chicane. Then for this chicane, there's no braking. It's fast flowing, and then full on the power all the way down right here. it's like the only heavy braking zone on this track. It's supposed to resemble the Le Mans track in France, and it does an okay job doing that. It's on a much smaller scale. I'm trying to go on the outside here, so if I ever did have a good run of him, I would have the inside line in the next corner. But if that guy hadn't rammed me, I would probably be in his position, like in 4th place. Oh yeah, so that was the final lap. It was a good race, give him a fist bump. And let's hear what he says.
My fault, dude.
I told you I was good at defending, bro.
You were good.
I told you I was good at defending.
You were great, bro.
I'm just like
Yeah,
that.
he was
I'm just
good
like
at
that, bro.
defending.
You were great. I tried to lay off on the last couple laps.
So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.